What if you get bitten by an insect that turns you from a human into a monster? Yes, the story of Kaiju number 8 is something like this, where a man who is no longer of the age to become a hero escapes from the jaws of death and becomes a hero. A world where giant monsters called Kaiju randomly appear and destroy cities, and a defense force that risks everything to stop them. But what if a cleaner, a normal guy, ends up becoming one of those monsters? Meet Kafka Hibino, a 32-year-old man who works for a Kaiju cleanup crew. His job, cleaning up the guts and remains of dead monsters. Yeah, not exactly glamorous. But Kafka wasn't always like this. As a kid, he made a promise with his childhood friend, Mina Ashiro. They both wanted to join the defense force and defeat Kaiju side by side. Mina kept that promise. She's now a top captain. Kafka, then Rino Ichikawa, a new recruit who joins the cleanup crew but clearly has bigger dreams. He straight up tells Kafka, "I'm gonna join the defense force." And makes Kafka feels that spark reignite. But fate hits hard, literally. A Kaiju attacks the hospital Kafka's in, and he nearly dies protecting Rino. But instead of dying, his partner Rino is with him, watching over him like a real bro. But suddenly, boom, a massive explosion rocks the building. Walls crack, alarms blare. A Kaiju breaches the hospital. People scream, chaos erupts instantly, and in the middle of it all, Kafka and Rino are trapped. The Kaiju slams through, charging straight at them. It's fast, wild. Rino tries to act, but it's too sudden, and that's when Kafka steps in. Without thinking, Kafka pushes Rino out of the way and takes the full brunt of the Kaiju's attack. He crashes to the ground, bloodied, broken, and barely alive. A mysterious parasite-like creature flies into Kafka's mouth and bum. He transforms into a Kaiju himself. Super strong, super fast, but still, Kafka on the inside. Kafka shocked. What the hell happened to me? And just like that, Kafka Hibino becomes Japan's most wanted monster, codenamed Kaiju number 8.